getting introduced to Java. First, let's get familiar with the common terms that we use in Java. So, Java was developed by James Gosling and Patrick Norton at Sun Microsystem, and initially it was named as Oak. Then different names were given, and the final name that was selected for the Java language was Java, and it was run in the year 1995. Then let's see about the characteristics of Java. Java, it is a very simple language and it is very simple and easy to use. Robust. Second characteristics is that Java language is robust. That means it checks the code both at a compile time and at a runtime. So it is called as robust. Then another important characteristics is that it is platform independent. The next one is Java is secure, then it is fast and powerful. So these are the characteristics of Java. Simple, secure, platform independent, robust, powerful, portable, all these are the features of Java. Then one important slogan that we have to keep in mind about Java is that ORA. ORA means write once, run or reuse anywhere. Java programs can be written once and we can run or reuse those Java programs in any platform. So we use the slogan ORA for Java. Then comes the term IDE. That means Integrated Development Environment. Integrated Development Environment means it is a platform that helps you to code more efficiently. We call it as IDE. For Java, we use Eclipse, Visual Studio, IntelliJ, IDEA. All these are IDEs. Then next comes the versions of Java. So there are three versions, namely J2SE, J2ME and J2EE. First one is J2SE. It is the standard edition. It is the core Java and it creates the application for desktop environment, that is developing the client-side application program, and it contains the basic language variables, primitive data types, arrays, JDBC, etc. and the Java virtual machine. When we learn about the architecture, we will learn about JVM. This JVM is given by J2SE. Then the second one is J2ME, that is the micro edition, and it creates server-side application programs and it concentrates mainly on applications running on embedded system, mobiles, etc. It uses applications of J2SE plus its own, that is about J2ME. Then comes the third version, J2EE, that is the enterprise edition. It has very large use and it is used for server-side scripting, for web development services and for networking, and it uses JavaScript as well as HTML for web development. And developers use this for it is user-friendly and versatile. That's about the versions J2SE, J2ME and J2EE. Then we will look into the data types that are used in Java. So what is data type? Data type means it specifies the different sizes and the values that can be stored in the variable. And there are two types of data types in Java. First one is primitive data type and second one is non-primitive data type. Primitive data type includes Boolean, character, byte, integer, short, long, float, double. All these data types belong to primitive set. And non-primitive data types include the non-primitive data types are the classes, interfaces and the arrays. We will look about it in detail. First one is primitive data type. Primitive data type already told it includes byte, short, int, long, float, double, boolean and character, and the range of data values they can hold. All these are given and this is the basic information about primitive data types. If you want to store integer values, we use if you want to store decimal values, we can either use float, or long also holds it. Then for true or false values, we use boolean, and for characters we use character data type. All these are the different primitive data types that are available in Java. Then we will have a look of a first or the basic Java program. First of all, we will use an IDE for creating the Java program, and this will be the basic structure of a Java program. The first one is first line is first we have to create a package. Inside the first we will create a project, and inside the project we will create a package, and inside the package only we will create the classes. So here I have created a package named basic.org, and I have created a method class, and the name of the class is simple, and this is the main method, public static void main within brackets string arguments, then we open braces, and system.out.println hello Java. So this is the simplest Java program, and here I have used the word class. Class means it is a keyword that is used to declare a class in Java. Then public, it is the access specifier that represents the visibility mode. Then static is the public static void main. There I use the word static. Static means it is the keyword to declare the method as static. That is, the core use of static keyword is that we no need to create an object to invoke the method. Whenever the Java program is executed, the control always go to the main method. From there only the control will get shifted according to the calls to the method. So when we use the static keyword, there is no need to create an object for invoking that method. Then the main method, it is executed by the Java virtual machine, so it does not need an object to invoke the main method, and thereby it saves the memory. So that's about the main method. Then next keyword is void. The return type of this method, it shows the return type. That is, it says that the method does not have any return value or does not return any value, and the main is the represents the starting point of the program. So these are the keywords: public, static, void main. Public is the access specifier. Static is the keyword used to declare that the method is static. When the static keyword is used, we no need to create an object for that method, and the main method it is executed. Always this main method will be executed by the JVM and does not need to create an object to invoke this main method. Then void means it is the represents the method does not return any value, and the main is the starting point of the program. Then we used the statement system.out.println. So that is a statement that is we used to print a word hello Java or hello anything that we want to print in the screen. So system is the class. System, that keyword that we used there, represents a class, and out, system dot out. Out is the object of the print stream class. So println is the method of the print stream class. So these are the basic things. The system is the class, out, system.out is the object of the print stream class, and println is the method of the print stream class. So this is the basic of a Java program. No need to worry about all these wordings. When we look into details of programming, everything will be easy. Let's see in the next video. Thank you.